Hi guys, my name is Pranika Amol Patel. So today in my class we had an online field trip and we were learning about birds. And there is so many birds, but I only showed a little of them in the page because we don't have that much space. And the first, peacock, national bird of India, colorful bird. And this is ostrich that has long legs with a big body. And it runs really fast. And there's a parrot. Its only beaks all green. And it has a orange beak. And it is sitting on a tree. And this is sparrow. And this is toucan. But the sparrows are low. And they're also sitting on a tree trunk. And this is toucan. It only lives in Hawaii and hot deserts. So it only has a big beak and it has a little of black space in its beak. And there's only 14 ones of toucan, and the beaks be colorful and the other ones, and the 14 ones, they be different. These don't be white, those be yellow, and the other type of them. And the beak is really colorful also in another ones. So this is swan. It only stays in water, but it can also walk in the sand, and it can fly. And this is penguin. You can see the name wrote in here. So penguins only live in cold places like ice rink. And beside water, outside the water, there is that ice rink and there's water. So that's all of the birds that today my teacher told me. But there were also more birds that my teacher told me just because I told you like there was no more space in the page. So bye. This is the birds. Bye.